Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the sticker Whiz GPT that was developed by OpenAI, which will create you die-cut stickers, and you can also ship it right to your door. Alright, so if you want to use the sticker Whiz or any other custom GPTs, currently you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. If you are a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise subscriber, all you have to do is click on Explore on the left here, or you can also click on your account name and select My GPTs. And then here you will see all of the GPTs that were shared with you or you have created yourself. And if you want to use the sticker Whiz GPT, just find it and click on it. And now as you can see, you can start interacting with the sticker Whiz custom GPT. By the way, I also have a full tutorial on this custom GPT, so I talk about what is it good for and how you can start using it, and I also share some of the best prompts you can use this. As you can see, I share some prompts with variables, so you can change the variables with your own custom use case and use the sticker Whiz custom GPT. Also, if you want to get access to a free database that contains thousands of custom GPTs, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can search this custom GPT database by category, description, and more. And there is also a database version with 10 use cases and example prompts for these custom GPTs. You can get access to this database for free by clicking the link in the description below. It will open up this page where you will be able to download it. So as an example, I have come up with this prompt: die-cut sticker, digital drawing of a Christmas crochet snowflake. The sticker has a solid white background and a strong black border surrounding the white die-cut border and no shadow. So if we click on send message here, we will see what the sticker Whiz GPT will come up with. As you can see here, you can stop the generation if you change your mind and you want to do something else. But as you can see, the image is being created right now and it has been created. As you can see, here's your custom die-cut sticker design featuring a Christmas crochet snowflake. And it is indeed that. If you're happy with the design and ready to proceed with the order, could you let me know how many stickers you'd like and what size should be? I can offer size recommendations if you need them. So as you can see, I told the sticker Whiz GPT that I need one and recommend me sizes. And here it recommended the 3-inch size. I said okay. And as you can see, here's the link. You can order the custom die-cut sticker at 3 inches. And we can click on this link, upload the sticker design image directly on the website and complete our order. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins, and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.